Hello, hello, hello! Today we are going over how to use the Shopkick app. I'm super excited and welcome if you're new here. My name is Caitlin. This is my office / stockpile. So I'm super excited to get into today's video to show you how to use the Shopkick app. And if I look a little, relaxed, today is like my day off. I had a little bit of time, so I wanted to do an updated how-to tutorials on these Shopkick and Fetch and all these tutorials, so that's what we're doing today. But specifically in today's video, we are going over the Shopkick app, so let's head into that right now. Okay, so I'm going to give you an overview on how to use the Shopkick app. I'm also going to use the little notes they leave here when you open a brand new account. So you can see here that you earn kicks or gift cards just by walking into the store. And you can see that we usually have nearby. So whatever is nearby you, that is the stores that are going to show up to you the closest. So for instance, where I live near my home, sometimes Target doesn't show up for me, but when I go about a couple streets down, or maybe once I get on the highway and then I go on my phone, then it does show up for me. Just so because of the miles and everything, some stores won't show up, some will. So just, keep that in mind when you're doing your shopping. You may think that you don't have rebates for a certain store, but maybe you're just not close enough. So that's how that works. Scan products to help bring attention to brands, and they'll reward you even more kicks. No need to buy them. So when you're in store, you just have to scan an item to get these kicks back. You don't even have to purchase it. But if you want to purchase it, of course you can to get that rebate. Get your gift cards even faster when you buy featured items in stores and upload the receipt. So that's exactly what it's saying. You're just going to purchase it and upload your receipt. Maximize your kick earning potential by linking your debit card or credit card to earn kicks at checkout. So I haven't done this yet, but I think it's just 1 kick per $1, which it might be a really good idea. I just haven't done it yet. Okay, so this is our homepage. This is what your homepage is going to look like. You can scroll down to see all the stores that you have. And every store is going to have a different rebates. So the store closest to me right now is Family Dollar, so that's why Family Dollar is coming up. If I click on CVS, it's going to show me there are 4 ways you can earn kicks at stores: walk-ins, scans, receipts, or link your card. So you can just walk in the store and you're going to get probably about 10 kicks, just depending on what the store is. But I usually get about 10 kicks per walk-in. And I'll share with you how many kicks and what it's worth per $1. You can scan the item, or you can just upload your receipt. And we're just going to go there. Okay. And if you're ever having trouble with anything, I'll show you how to correct your receipt or contact Shopkick for help. So this is what a CVS one looks like. It's kind of like scarce on rebates. So it does change and it will update. You can even get rebates on Aldi. But if we click on, let's do Walmart. Walmart and Target's going to have your most rebates on this app currently. And we're going to scroll down. So there's a bunch of books you can buy just to get cash back. And then if we scroll down, you can see it's divided by categories. So household essentials, bundles, and we're going to go over bundles in a second. And that's how it's divided, right? Okay, so when we first have an item, let's say we are going to buy, let's say we're going to buy, let me choose an item. Let's say we're going to buy some Suave deodorant, okay? So we have the Suave deodorant rebate here. It's also included in a bundle, as we can see. We can see if we scan the item, we get about 20 kicks. If we buy and submit our receipt, we are going to get about 500 kicks just for one Suave Now if I push scan, and if I try to scan it right now, it probably won't give me the rebate, but you have to be in store to do it. So excuse my shoes. But I'm going to try to scan this swab and show you how it works. If it doesn't, it's probably going to tell me, you know, you're not in store. But you're going to do the same thing in store. So this is how you're going to do it. Okay, so we're going to take our swab deodorant and we're going to put it in front of the camera. And it's going to say, sorry, we don't recognize that product. Make sure you have the right one. So I can try to scan another one. No, it's probably because I am, you know, not in store. So what's going to happen is when you do it in store, it'll probably work out just fine. But that is how that is going to work. Okay, now if we wanted to do this bundle here, we're just going to click on it. And we can see in this bundle, we are going to have to buy a Suave lotion and a Suave deodorant to get that back. So 1,000 kicks we'll get back for buying 2 and submitting our receipt. 500 for the deodorant, 500 for the lotion, and then a bonus of 275 bonus kicks for buying both of them. Now, if you're someone who follows a lot of couponers, you are going to see that they will do the, you know, going from kicks to how much it is in store cash for you. But if you ever want to do it yourself, you just have to go to your calculator, 1,000, and you're going to do times 0.004. Because these are like, I forget the thing. It's like a fourth or something. I don't know, 0.04% or something. You have to multiply to get what it is in cash. I'm not going to go into the details, but that's how much it is. So we're going to get back $4 for buying the Suave and for buying the lotion, and that's how that works. Now this app is really amazing once we start using with coupons and maybe with other apps as well and combining them. So that's why it's, you know, super cool. So that's how it works to submit, to scan, and let me try to scan a receipt for you guys. I don't have any items right now that could be used, but I'm just going to show you the basics. If I go to scan, I'm going to add any rebates that I got that I am trying to get back a rebate for. So let's just say I bought these stuffed pretzels. I'm going to claim my kicks, and it's going to load, and then it's going to say next. It's going to make sure that it's going to tell me how to upload my receipts. So it says capture all the important information: the store, the items, the date, the location, prices, time. Your pictures must include the store location, items, and prices. So very easy. Make sure you're just capturing it all. Make sure you capture long receipts. If it's a long receipt, just take multiple pictures. And photos must be bright, sharp, and clear. Not a big deal. Just make sure you're taking a really good picture of it. So here's how you're going to do that now. It's a lot harder to take a picture of it with an iPad. Okay, so now I'm going to go to submit. And like I said, I didn't have any kicks on that receipt that I want to submit. I just wanted to show you guys. You're simply going to take a picture, and then it's going to go to the screen and say your kicks are coming. So I didn't get any kicks, so it's probably going to tell me when they do come back, sorry, you didn't get any kicks on that receipt. But you will see in your account that, okay, you know, here are your kicks, or, you know, here's your money back from your receipt. And that's how that works. It's very easy, very simple, guys. And you can cash out, with rewards. So if I go, I think I went a little too fast on that, but let me show you guys here. If I go to this button up here, this is going to show you how much you have in kicks at the moment. Now I just downloaded a new one just to show you guys how it works. And then I'm going to go to reward options, and then this is what you can see. Oops. This is how the gift cards look, and you're going to cash out with gift cards. Now you can actually cash out with Amazon gift cards. Pretty much there's so many different cards included, but you can also cash out with PayPal cards as well. And you can see 2,550 kicks equals $10. And this, your kicks really add up, so you can cash out pretty quickly. Even the lowest gift card is $2, 500 kicks. So you could have cashed out just by buying those swab and the swab lotion and deodorant. And that's how it works. So if you want to cash out, you would just go to redeem kicks, and then you would find your little tab here that says redeem your kicks here, and you would click on that. You're going to see a barcode pop up, and you can scan that in store to redeem your kicks, or if you're at Starbucks, you can scan it in your Starbucks. Amazon, there's going to be a little there's going to be like a promo code. You can use that promo code, and so that's as easy as that. And this right here, you can create goals and everything. Like if you want Amazon reward or Target reward, you can create a goal to get to that reward. So that's all that means there. And that's how you use the Shopkick app. So here is what it looks like on my phone. I wanted to record this really quick on how you can contact Ibotta if they didn't give you your rewards back or anything like that. If you ever need any help, just go to the settings, click on that little person, then go on the settings, then scroll all the way down to the bottom, and then you're going to find a place where you can click email us, and then you're going to email them. It's going to pull up this next screen, and then you're just going to put in your information, tell them what happened, and they should get back to you soon. Make sure to include any rebates that you should have gotten back or cash you should have gotten back as well. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned how to use the app correctly and effectively and get all the benefits out of it. These apps are so rewarding to use. If you want to check out my other tutorials, I'll leave them down below for you guys to check them out because they really are so rewarding to use. And we get money makers on these all the time. We actually make money on these apps. We make free items, we get free items on these apps, and we get really cheap items on these apps. So they're so amazing to use. I'll leave them all linked below for you guys to check them out to help you out. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Happy couponing. So quick little note I wanted to leave here. I do have my shop open, merchandise open you can purchase, and that has couponing accessories in the shop. It has things you might want to take along with you while you're couponing. It has a little couponing pouch you can put your coupons in. It has so many different tools and accessories and clothing you can use as a couponer. The money that you guys, the things that you buy from my store actually goes right back into couponing. It goes right back into helping others. And me and my husband, we give away things weekly to people that may need it. We give away things weekly to families and also people who are, you know, in another country who may need it. Maybe they reach out to us, or maybe we just hear about them somehow. And so we do send them products or send them some form of payment to help them out during their time. So if you do purchase something from that shop, just know most of that money does go towards those things. So thank you so much for everyone who has already purchased something. It means so much to us, and I just want to say a huge thank you, and also let you know I'll leave that shop in the description box below. Okay, that's bye for now. Happy couponing.